Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to switch game modes in SAND. If you've been wondering why your expeditions always have a time limit, or you simply didn't know there were different game modes, you can switch between them before starting an expedition. After preparing your loadout, proceed to the Overview screen. To the left of the Ready button, you'll find the Game Mode Selection button. Click it to open the Mode Selection menu. You'll have two game modes to choose from. Voyage is the more relaxed option. Matches have no time limit, other expeditions can join at any time, and extraction zones remain active throughout the match. It's the ideal mode if you want to explore, gather resources, or complete contracts without feeling rushed. Storm Dive, on the other hand, is a much more intense experience. Matches are time limited, and the playable area gradually shrinks as a sandstorm closes in, similar to a battle royale. Extraction zones activate later and disappear once they're overtaken by the storm. In return for the increased risk, this mode offers a higher chance of finding rare loot, high-quality items, and even unique locations that only appear in Storm Dive. Once you've chosen your preferred mode, click Accept to confirm your selection. Before you queue, take a quick look at the selected game mode, as there can occasionally be a delay or bug where it doesn't immediately switch to your new choice. When everything looks correct, click Ready to begin your expedition. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.